I want to quickly talk to you about how to use WhatsApp for business on your store this year. How do you make money? The thing is, WhatsApp actually connects nearly 3 billion users globally. Okay. I mean, the thing is that WhatsApp remains modest in the States, but it dominates messaging when it comes to global markets, particularly in places like India, in Europe, okay, in Africa. So this is kind of important. In those markets, WhatsApp penetration is really high, like above 90%. Can you imagine that? 90%. That means you have a lot of potential, okay? So whether you go to places like China, India, or not China, India, of course, you have Nigeria, South Africa, you have Brazil, for instance, you always have penetration rates above 90%. So this is kind of cool. So the thing is, the same features that make WhatsApp really, really critical for personal use, let's say group chats, media sharing, and instant connectivity, can also unlock new ways to connect with customers. Okay. So with WhatsApp for business, you can set up a dedicated business profile, create broadcast lists for product launches, share your product catalog, and provide customer service in real time. So that's pretty good. Okay. So let me talk to you about the WhatsApp business app. There's a WhatsApp business app that's very, very strong. And this app has actually garnered millions of reviews, positive reviews. So that's really fantastic. So this is a free tool by Meta for managing customer interactions and showcasing products through a digital catalog. Okay. And the app actually is great because it really offers features like quick replies and automated greeting messages to enhance customer service. And this app is especially beneficial for, let's say, small businesses or solo entrepreneurs seeking to streamline communication across up to 5 connected devices, up to 5. And they're increasing the number of devices. So maybe very soon they'll bring it to 10 or even 15. So the application includes the following features that can help e-commerce businesses simply communicate with customers and sell to them. So you have product catalogs, you have broadcast lists, you have quick replies, you have automated greetings, you have message templates, you have a click to WhatsApp ads. So this is really fantastic. So let's talk about what the WhatsApp business platform really stands for, okay? Because the thing is that there's a lot of confusion as to what you can do exactly with WhatsApp for a business. So when companies have more than 5 team members participating on the business app, they can upgrade to the WhatsApp business platform. Okay, so if you think about it, the WhatsApp business platform is actually a beefed up version that keeps all the core features while adding tools built for scale. So you are basically you have things like analytics. You know, it's deeper. You have you have revenue. You have analytics trains also. So also, what you need if you go to the WhatsApp business app, you have multi-agent support and custom integrations with the CRM systems. So CRM, client relationship management systems. Okay, this API-based solution allows bigger e-commerce businesses to handle thousands of conversations, hook up their existing software systems, and also track detailed analytics. So that's really fantastic because you are able to really engage with your audience in a, let's say, in a more structured manner, but also in a more scalable manner. Okay, think about it. You're able to communicate with thousands of customers at once. Now, pricing for this tool varies by region, message type, and country code. However, businesses in North America are charged 2.5 cents per message. So you can say like that's 2 pennies per message. That's really affordable. So unlike the WhatsApp business app, the WhatsApp business platform is not self-serve. Okay, so it's one of those things where you definitely need official WhatsApp approval to use it. So it's one of those things you'll need to place a request, and WhatsApp will go through your request. They will review it, and if they like what they see, they'll just approve of your request. So that's really fantastic. So the first thing you want to do here is to download the WhatsApp business app from your smartphone's app store. Okay, this can be iOS or Android, not a problem. So after you download the WhatsApp Business app, you want to review and accept the terms of service from WhatsApp Business, okay? And you got to register also your phone number. So this can be the same number attached to your mobile device or a different number. It really depends on the number that you want to put out there because some businesses want to have a specific phone for every social media. Okay, so this is important. If you are a multi-person business, you want to opt for a dedicated business number instead of a personal one. That way, people are not going to bother you. Like customers are not going to bother you late at night. Okay, and you want to create your business profile by adding your business name, business category, business address, and more. You just want to professionalize the whole profile. And you want to set up a passkey using fingerprint, Face ID, or a screen lock. Okay, this is optional, but I really recommend it. So if you want to really secure the account, you want to add your email address to help recover your account if you ever lose access to your phone. This is optional too, but I recommend it. Okay. You want to link your WhatsApp business account to your business's Facebook and Instagram pages to reach more customers. This is optional, but I do recommend it. By the way, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram are owned by the same company, Meta. Okay. So next, you want to customize your business profile by adding products to your catalog, advertising, and setting up greeting messages, away messages, quick replies, and labels. That's going to help you big time in terms of going back to what I said, professionalizing your account. Okay, the whole idea here is that when it comes to WhatsApp, remember, you have nearly 3 billion folks using this platform every single day. So you want to really present a professional tone, okay, for your business. Otherwise, people will just think that you just one other WhatsApp profile. But no, you want to really populate the profile with your brain, with your messaging, with anything that really can distinguish you. So, how do you use WhatsApp for business this year? Well, you want to connect WhatsApp to Shopify for automated order updates if you sell on Shopify. If not, you can just connect it to maybe BigCommerce or WooCommerce or Adobe Commerce or whatever. Okay. So every e-commerce business must update customers on their orders and shipping status. So here I'm taking the example of Shopify, but it could be another platform. So by connecting your Shopify store to the WhatsApp Business Platform's API, you can actually send updates through WhatsApp instead of email. And message templates allow you to automate order confirmations, shipping updates, and delivery notifications with webhooks triggering this messages whenever an order status changes. So you don't have to really. I mean, the name of the game is automation. Okay, and those webhooks will help you automate things further. You can also use Shopify apps like Dundee, WhatsApp Button by Ease, and CK, WhatsApp Chat, and Abandon to add WhatsApp features without dealing with API integration. If you don't like this API integration thing, okay, use those apps. However, these third-party apps generally provide only basic features like chat widgets and simple automation instead of the full messaging capabilities available through direct API integration. You also want to build a visual storefront with product catalog. So customers need to see your products before they purchase them, right? This makes sense. WhatsApp's catalog tool lets you create a digital storefront directly in WhatsApp, making it easy for customers to browse and inquire about items. So you want to upload clear product photos and you want to write detailed descriptions that answer common customer questions up front. You want to set prices and keep your inventory status current to actually minimize back and forth messages, especially if you are thinking about getting things done in a very scalable manner. Okay, that's an important element to think about. Next thing you want to do if you want to use WhatsApp for business, you want to think about delivering targeted communications with broadcast list. Now, those broadcast lists are very powerful. I mean, during COVID, for instance, there were a lot of brands were using them to actually to spread important messages. Okay, and but once COVID was over, a lot of brands were just using them for what they were in the first place. In other words, spread words about products and services that customers care about. Okay, you also want to improve the response time with quick replies and greetings. I mean, everybody's busy not nowadays in this economy. We are bombarded with millions of messages every single month, and if you're able to quickly reply to a message that your client sent you, you would have won actually a big thank you from them, but also actually won a customer for life. Okay, so I want to first talk to you about delivering targeted communications with broadcast lists. So mass messaging rarely works. Personalized messages elicit more responses. So the short link and broadcast features help you reach specific customer groups without creating massive group chats. So that's really good from a personalization point of view. Even better, you can create message lists based on customer preferences or purchase history for more targeted communications. For example, you might set up a broadcast list to share restock alerts with customers who have requested a notification when their size is actually back in stock. So that's really good because you're really creating some kind of interaction with the customer, but also you're showing the customer that you care about their needs. You also want to improve response times with quick replies and greetings. So response times can make or break a sale, especially in messaging. So the quick replies tool lets you save time and manually select pre-written answers to common questions, while greeting messages welcomes new customers automatically. So those messages will welcome new customers automatically. You can create actually a library of various quick replies for different situations. Here I'm speaking about maybe pricing inquiries, for instance, shipping info, as well as product availability. Okay, you can do so and then choose the right one for each customer conversations. Keep your automated messages warm and helpful. That's gonna help you big time. Also, you want to stay in conversation with away messages. The whole thing about staying away in conversation is that you want to show the customer that you're always there. You're there 24/7. See, the thing is, if you are on WhatsApp, chances are you have maybe you have customers who are globally spread, right? They're spread in multiple countries. So you want to really activate the await messages feature so you can stay in conversation, and you also want to track customer relationships with labels. Let me explain a little further here. When I say you want to stay in conversation with away messages, it's just that customer questions don't stop when you are busy or sleeping, right? Or even brushing your teeth, so to speak. The away message feature helps you maintain communication even when you're not actively monitoring the app. And the cool thing is you can create different await messages for various situations like after hours, holidays, or high volume periods, and include helpful information about when customers can expect a response. So if you're able to set that up, if you can set that properly, you would have gained a lot of customers that way. And when I speak about tracking customer relationships with labels, I mean from sizing questions to restock requests, managing customer conversations gets tricky as your inbox fills up, right? So this is when you're gonna love the labels feature in WhatsApp, because that feature sorry about that, helps you normally monitor things that need to be monitored. Helps you also manually organize, categorize, and track different types of conversations by tagging them as you go. So create labels actually for different customer stages like new inquiry, order pending, and VIP customer. Then what you want to do is that you want to assign them to each chat thread. Sorry about this. To each chat thread as you interact with customers. Okay. So while you need to add these labels yourself, they help you prioritize responses and maintain a clear view of your customer relationships. For example, you could use labels to identify repeat customers for, let's say, a priority service. So let's talk about how to set up the WhatsApp business platform. Okay, the thing is, the WhatsApp business platform is totally different from the WhatsApp business app. Okay, the platform connects your existing business software like your customer service system or marketing tools. I mean, anything in your current tech stack. So it connects it to the WhatsApp business API, the application programming interface. Let me break it down. So let's say you are handling thousands or hundreds of customer messages, or you need automated flows for shipping updates, appointment reminders, or even better, customer support. This technical integration unlocks WhatsApp's full messaging capabilities, so you don't have to really answer those things manually anymore. Okay, you are automating the whole process. So if you want to set up your WhatsApp Business Platform access, you want to go to WhatsApp Business Platform's website and click Get Started. You want to fill out the business inquiry form with your company details, name, location, size, contact info, that kind of stuff. You can see on the screen here. And you want to review Meta's privacy policy, then submit your application. So the thing is that basically they have to go through your application, see your configuration before approving it. So while waiting for access, you want to explore the developer documentation to understand WhatsApp Business API implementation options. If you don't have to do this yourself, but you need a developer to actually go through that process. Okay, and so the approval process will take probably 2 to 7 days, depending on the backlog that they have at Meta. So once approved, that's a good thing. Once approved, things can go really fast. Okay, like within a few hours, you will be set up. And once approved, you need to choose between using a cloud API, so Meta hosted, or working with a WhatsApp solution provider. So I suggest you actually work with cloud API. Of course, that means you have to pay something every month, but hey, listen, that's just better. So for detailed documentation and technical setup, you want to visit the WhatsApp Business Platform documentation through Meta's developer portal, where you will find guides for cloud API integration, webhooks setup, but also a message template creation. So, as a coda in today's conversation, I spoke to you about how to use WhatsApp for business on your e-commerce store. I defined what the WhatsApp Business app is, how to set up the business platform, and how to use WhatsApp for business in earnest. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.